Welcome to the Geoscience Concept Inventory assessment site. Here, you can log in using your username and password. If you do not have a username or password, you can click on the Instructor Sign-up form. This Instructor Sign-up form allows you to request access to the site. Once you have access, you will be allowed to create a course, add students to your course, assign tests, and look at the GCI questions and answers. Once you have completed the requested fields, you will be asked to complete a CAPTCHA puzzle. This puzzle requires you to place the letters of the word science in their proper order. Once the letters have been placed in the proper order, a new button will appear. This button, the Sign Up to be an Instructor button, should be pressed in order to submit your form. Once the form has been submitted, administrators of the site will process your request. Once you have a username and password, you can log in to the Geoscience Concept Inventory assessment site. This will take you to the Geoscience Concept Inventory assessment site workspace. In this space, you can add courses, add tests, view all of the concept inventory questions currently available, list the courses and students which you have currently enrolled, and add new students to your course. To add a course, click Add a Course. You want to give the course a short code, such as Geo. Provide the number of the course so you can keep track of it. Include the course title. Indicate the semester in which the course is being taught. Include a start date for the course, including the year, the month, and the day, and an end date for the course. You might want to make this the end of the year. A new window will appear on your screen once the course has been added. Select the course to which you would like to add new students. If the course does not appear in the drop-down menu, you can always click on Add New Course. In the drop-down menu, find your course. In order to add new students to the course, you must upload a CSV file containing the last name, first name, and email address of the student. We're uploading a file. This file has been uploaded successfully. We have added 4 students to the course. You can delete students from the course by clicking on the X. You can delete entire student rosters by clicking Delete. And you can look at other courses for which student names have been added by using the scroll bar. To close this window, simply click Close. We've now successfully added a course. We would like now to add a test. To add a test to our course, we simply click Add a Test. You now see the Add a Test workspace. Choose the course you would like to add a test to using the drop-down menu. In this case, we will choose Geo Fall 2011. You may give the assignment any name you like, for instance, Pretest, Geo 101. The system automatically allows 1 week from the start of the test to the end of the test, and sets the start and end times as well. You may change these in any way you like. You have an opportunity to hide the assignment from students. You may choose to do this if, for example, you would like to create a post-test during the middle of the semester and keep it hidden from student view. In most cases, we encourage you to keep your assignments visible. You now can select topics from which to choose questions. Read the list of available topics and click on the ones that interest you. For example, we will choose glaciers, rocks and minerals, gravity, magnetism, and weathering and erosion. To view questions, simply click Add Topics. The questions assigned to each of your chosen topics are now shown. The answers to each question will be visible once you have chosen questions and clicked the Continue button. Look through the questions listed for each of your topics. Here, we see a number of possible questions that we could include on our test. We recommend that you choose a small number of questions, generally less than 20 questions, in order to avoid student fatigue as they take the test. We've also provided you with the opportunity to ask students to explain their reasoning. You may choose one of these explain your reasoning questions for each of the topics. This option may expand in the future. Now, I will choose a subset of questions. I click Continue. The system provides me with a view of the entire test. For your convenience, answers are shown in red. An empty box is shown where students are expected to include a written response. We can scroll down and look at the entire test. We can also print the assignment. You may print this and hand this out in class if you prefer not to give the assessment online. If you would like to change any aspect of the test, rearrange questions, delete questions, or add new questions, simply click Edit Assignment. The Edit Test function allows you to change variables related to the test, including the assignment and due date. On the left side of the screen is a column labeled Questions. Notice that some of the question numbers are followed by the number 1 in parentheses. These questions are the open-ended questions asking students to explain their responses. You can view each question by carefully clicking on the number of the question. If you would like to remove a question from the assessment, simply click the X next to the question. The system will ask you if you are sure you would like to delete the question. Simply click Delete. The system takes a moment and then reloads the assessment minus the question you have deleted. You can reorder questions by clicking the Reorder button. For example, if you would like question 5 to appear first on the assessment, simply click and hold and drag question 5 to the top of the list. In addition, if you would like students to explain their reasoning for question 5, now at the top of the test, instead of question 6, now at the bottom of the test, simply click on the Explain Your Reasoning item, move it again to the top of the column. You can reset the questions if you would like them to return to their original order, or you can confirm ordering. The order has been saved and the questions have now been renumbered and will appear on your assessment in this order. You can also add additional questions by clicking the Add More button. When you are done looking at your assessment, simply click Home.